The cat's like, wait, that's. He thought it was a cat at first, and he's like, I don't know now. Hey, back up, Allie, back up.
Can I come stand next to you? I was trying to see it.
No. It's not even got its mouth open. That cat sniffed its face.
I hope it doesn't run this way.
That's a big possum.
Big fat possum. Now we know where all the cat food's been going at night.
So we do have possums. But you're like the first live one I've seen in a long time.
It's ugly. Its tail's ugly.
Yeah, they are. It's not even holding its mouth open. It's just like, maybe if I hold still, they'll just lose interest and think I'm not real. I mean, like, cats.
He's coming around.
I know, I see that. He's like, do I eat it? The look of worry on that thing's face. Just trying to think what we could put it in.
The cat carrier? I've got one idea. I'll go get it.
Alright, y'all stand there and watch it for a second. Please don't hurt my kitty cat.
If it runs this way, I'm going to scream.
As long as the cat don't do anything to it.
He doesn't know what to think.
Yeah, because he... Aw, it was asleep.
That's cute.
Alright. Yeah, I see its eyes moving. Go ahead.
She snarled as soon as I
Good.
got close.
I'll let David come over here with that hot dog.
Okay.
I'm going to put it in its mouth. I don't think it will.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm not about the hot dog.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Just wait till the car goes by. I bet she was terrified when we started that Land Rover and drove right by her.
It's sweet. She's upset about this.
Yeah, she's trying to stay warm. Sorry, buddy. I was trying to get it closer to your mouth. I mean, is that really intended to be a threatening pose since it's laying on its side? What animal attacks like that?
I think she's playing dead.
Yeah, because she's letting drool run out her mouth.
I mean, I wouldn't put my finger right by her teeth. Old rat tail.
Yeah, her eyes are open, buddy.
There, now you can't avoid it. Now you have the hot dog on your mouth.
Hot dogs and apples for dinner.
Here, I'll push it on in for you now. I guess you're crippled. There. Just. There you go. See? Look at it. It's like, oh, I want to eat that. Look at it. It's just so slowly closing its mouth. Look.
It's breathing harder, too.
Okay, wants to eat that hot dog. But no, it's not going to be as cool as the other possum. And yeah, we do have a video of it taking a hot dog from me. We can watch that when we go in. I found it last night.
She blinked.
There you go. Oh, I can't wait to show everybody this at work. You know, like, do you really think that animal's violent? I mean, I've stuck half a hot dog down its throat. Yeah, let me grab a legit picture. No.
Not with all of us standing there.
Well, okay, so let's walk off for a few minutes and hopefully it'll eat that hot dog.
So are we gonna drive our trucks while we wait?
Yeah.
Come on now, we're gonna go make dinner. Tell Miss Poppy goodbye.
Well, I mean, if, yeah, take him on in, but if you want to... You happy to see me? Oh,
Hot dog mouth.
will it really bite me?
That's too funny.
Look at all them teeth. That's the biggest it's opened its mouth.
Yeah. Like, leave my towel on.
Uh-huh. I can use this end of it to pet her face. Everybody be quiet. It's like trying to make it still as stiff as a board. Don't run, don't run, don't. I just want to look at you. Let's see, she got anything in her pouch?
I can't tell.
I'm afraid you're going to get hurt if I don't see anything.
I just see Kitten come to see what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Possum, smile for everyone and show them that you have joy.
Yeah. Say hi to Robert Breaker. Say, this dude's been so busy working on that Robert Breaker video that he hasn't turned me loose until tonight. He was supposed to have done it this afternoon when it was nice out. Thanks, Robert Breaker, for giving him so much stuff to consume his time with. I'm not sure she wanted to pet him, though.
If not, it's okay.
Let me see if I can settle it back down in there. That cat's like, well.
He walked up when you were holding her tail and she was trying to run his face.
Yeah, I saw him. Look, I'm not going to hurt you. I tried to even feed you. I hope you don't run off when we let you go. I'd like to see you again.
Maybe
I wish
not.
there's a way I could mark you so I knowed.
Maybe not in the root cellar.
Yeah, I don't want to see you in the root cellar again.
No.
That was kind of sad all at the same time.
Yeah.
It's like you were just kind of stuck in there. If we'd have forgot about you, a couple of days have been terribles. Man, you got some strong neck muscles.
She's not gonna let you scruff her.
Yeah, I can't. She's like hurt. She ain't got enough. That's scary. Kid, you might get hurt. I don't know though. It knows the cat's not doing anything.
Aw, what a cute
We should have gotten the harness for her,
Go let the dog out.
David.
I mean, if worst comes to worst, I'll turn this loose. It just get out of its way if it comes out.
Yeah.
She's probably going to go this way to hide under something.
Satchets, come on.
Hey. She just doesn't even get it. She thinks it's dead.
She's like, wait. Go around to its face, puppy dog.
Well, at least she didn't get mad at it.
Yeah.
Come on. Back up. Good girl. You know, if you bite me, the dog's going to get you, right? Like, she cares when I fall, so
Oh man,
if
if
you make me shed blood, she's going to know.
she would get so mad.
Oh, the cats might run after it.
No, I don't think so.
I think that it will run after the cats.
Did she know?
Back up, David. Don't get it closer. Oh, that car's scared. That's funny. It went to look at you curiously.
How are you? No, not you.
She didn't like that, did she?
Well, you're the one who's been
She's just
robbing.
like, it's just opening its mouth, though. What am I supposed to do?
Yeah.
It's like,
You're
don't
the
put your tongue in it.
You know what? If you didn't rob cat food, then you may have got loose earlier.
Yeah, if you want.
Here's our cat food thief.
If you want to come over here and pet her, you can. Here's your glove. It's a
Thanks.
right-handed glove. Hang on a second.
Girl.
I'd quit.
Yeah.
Come over here closer to me and pet her in the middle of her back. She won't respond to that. It's like when you're touching her side.
She's drooly.
Yeah.
Can I pet her?
No,
I wonder how soft her fur really is.
it's not.
I really want to boop her nose.
Yeah, I'm not touching it.
No.
I'm embarrassing you. I don't trust its gloves on. Quit that.
Here's your glove back. If
You
you
just
want.
lay it down, and then we'll trade.
Where's the safety sandal?
Not today, buddy.
Back up, David.
My feet's down on the ground. There's no way I'm gonna wear flip-flops playing with something with that kind of teeth.
It must
Yeah.
be used to the kittens because maybe they eat dinner together.
At least she settled down mostly.
Yeah, I think when the dog didn't hurt her, I think that really did a lot right there. like the big thing. And I'm glad the dog's not trying to.
Please don't paw it.
The cars, I'm afraid it's gonna make her.
I just
snap.
hope he didn't paw her.
Yeah. They're just like, can't be too bad. Boss got it.
Here comes another car.
I know, that's what I'm not doing.
David, you better just back up and get out of the way in case she bolts.
She's sad.
I think scared's more like that.
Her ears are adorbs. She just looks so funny. How
I'm
much
not
do you
shaking over you, buddy. You're just making my back hurt.
How much do you think she weighs?
Probably a good 10 pounds anyway.
She has to weigh more than 10 pounds. She's
more
bigger.
than a gallon of water.
She's bigger than Biscuit, and Biscuit weighs about 10.
Swab. Where's the dog?
I don't know where she went.
Right there. She's
Come here,
coming around
puppy.
against the wall. We got our new buddy. Yeah, buddy,
I
all
think
right.
you know something's dangerous. See, look how cautious she's being.
Yeah.
It's not like when it's a kid. Baby, quit going that way.
The camera's struggling to stay in focus with us moving and it being dark.
Turn away so we can actually trailer so we can't come over and get into. So the dog doesn't start chasing. Come here. You want to see it one more time before we're done?
Oh, we can see kittens coming this year.
Hold it over top of it. I think he's playing possum now. It's definitely a she, by the way. Got so many boy cats and a few girl animals, so. Yeah, he went to playing possum. It's hoping I'm just going to leave it. And it's right, I will. Come around the other side. Is its eyes open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you're watching this video, you can look back, and a couple of years ago I had another one of these. I'll put the link in the description if you want to watch that one. It was a little cooler to watch, I guess, in the cage. It took hot dog from my hand. I can't remember what else is in the video. I haven't watched it in a long time.
You introduced it to our cat.
Yeah, there's some cat stuff with it too. So if you're really worried about possums being mean to your cats, it's probably not going to happen. But a dog that does this right here, maybe. Yeah.
Oh.
Puffy, you just don't even understand. You're about to get hurt.
She'll learn once it bites her.
I did read about somebody getting bit for sniffing it, but it did run it down first.
Yeah.
There was no chase. So. Everybody start backing up a little bit. Come on, Puffy.
What an epic release video.
I know, for real. You'd think it would well, it would have tore off if I would have let it go the first time, but now that we're doing it this time, it's trying something different.
Yeah.
Can you even see that good on the camera?
I can see it. I'm just struggling to keep it in focus. That's a little better.
Yeah, at least we got to have some fun out of it.
Yeah.
So I was just laying here in the yard.
Miss Possum, don't forget to tell Robert Breaker thank you for the late release.
Yeah. Complain to him. But yeah, guys, I got to finish telling the story. Stop. I got to finish telling the story about this thing. So we caught it, and it got loose. And then found it like 2 or 3 days later in my food locker. But what was even funnier is it didn't mess with the food. It messed with the fly trap.
When there
And
was beef jerky in there.
It just ate the tracting out of the fly trap, left the beef jerky and everything else alone other than knocking a couple of things off the floor as it tried to find a comfortable spot on the shelf to sleep. Because there's large chest freezers in there that keeps it nice and warm, so she thought she'd found herself a little palace. Even though she'd already been trapped and put in there, she decided she's going to come back in there and risk this all over again. And now she's been handled way more than she was the first time.
Good for you.
I'm hoping that we'll see her again. In good health, of course.
And in the meantime.
Look at that ugly rat tail. I like it.
Go ahead, sniff it. It's not dead. The puppy's like, I'm just not sure what to think
Please
anymore.
don't call it kitten.
It's like, no, I think I'm going to get my butt kicked. See, they know that's not a cat.
Yeah.
The dog, too. You don't see the dog being that cautious over any cats.
Oh no.
She's getting so used to being touched now.
Still recording.
Yeah.
I still wouldn't pet their hands.
Oh, come on.
Give us a shower.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't want to have to walk away for you to go on. Get up. Get up, you lazy thing.
You
Get
slept
up.
today.
You had nothing to do all day. It is. It's playing possum, just like I said. Oh, it's got the scared look on its face. Buddy, I'm not going to hurt you. If you would just get up and go on your little way, it'd be over with.
Her little face.
I mean, at no time did we ever get this animal with a trap. This is hand caught. I never imagined it. I'm not that good of an animal catcher, but I really never thought I'd be doing this, especially twice to the same animal in the same week. Here, you record it for a minute. I'm gonna get a cigarette.
Okay. She'll run off when you leave, watch.
No, come on, Pappy.
Do it!
This has got to be a first. Who's drove on a possum with a remote controlled truck? Be quiet, don't run it. No, she knows I'm up to something. She might take off. Oh, that's pretty good. The kitten's like, oh cool, he's going to put the truck out here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not kidding. Mr. Possum, you got in my way. Now I'll have to call roadside assistance to get me off of you. This truck sucks in reverse. I'm getting stuck on you, sorry. Guys, did you ever think we would be driving a remote-controlled truck over a possum? I'm sorry we don't have a drone charge to see how it would react to a drone. It would probably run.
We'll bring my truck out here.
Okay, here, you record. It's hard to play. And here, let's do a new video, though. I don't want to get corrupted something stupid.
Yeah. The dog's not sure what to think.
Think I got ran over. Oh, it's getting up. It's getting up now.
She's had enough.
She's like, you are just making sport of me. Boys, you need to back up. She might come your way. There she goes.
Bye.
Here, let me see that on that. I knew that would get her going. Where did she go, though?
Hey, the Satchets, come here. Leave her alone.
Oh, I see. Is that her?
I don't know, but the dog was trying to get under the trailer, so she's under there.
Oh, yeah, that is her butt. She's under there. Yeah, let's just go up this way, and then I'll come on. Come on.
That's funny.
Ashley, you missed it.
Yeah.
Would you believe me if I told you I drove this? Hey, thanks for watching this video. Check out sharingthetruthandlove.com. You can read the King James Bible by clicking that tab there. Moreover, to learn how to be born again, click on the tab that says Salvation Through Jesus Christ. You can also check out other articles that I have. I have documents on several different cults that you would want to avoid or repent of if you're involved in them, and why, according to the Bible. Not just telling you that they're wrong, but showing you with God's pure preserved word, the King James Bible, pure Cambridge edition, 1769. There's all kinds of different versions of the Bible, but there's only one that doesn't lie to you. If you check out the book's exposed part, you can see what I was talking about. There's only really one Bible. I think right here is where it is. And I can show you where Bible version, I can show you where Bible words were removed, different Bible version comparisons. There's different versions that are listed in the contents there that you can look at, and you can see where they've changed the verses, removed them. That doesn't make the Bible easier to understand by taking it away. It's just hiding the truth from you. You can also read the King James Bible. Definitely check the tab out that says Salvation Through Jesus Christ. Learn how to be born again so that you're not a lost person. It's not just hell that the Lord will save you from, it's also the wrath of God and being saved out of all kinds of lies and deception in the life here and now. If I can help you out, just hit me up in the comments below or email me at patrick@patrickthebaptist.com. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and as always, I want to praise my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. May He richly bless and guide you all. Have a great day.